Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can make a buck converter within the Proteus. First of all, you must know that a buck converter is actually a DC to DC converter that can convert a high DC voltage into a lower one. It is also a type of power supply, that is SMPSR, switch mode power supply. Here we are going to design a 24 volt to 12 volt buck converter. So for it, first of all, we need to go and take battery, and we will take battery and we will put here. This is our input voltage source. Click it and convert this battery into the 24 volt DC. After this battery, we need to take one capacitor, generic one, right here, capacitor and generic one. Now right click on it, rotate it clockwise. Okay. Also connect battery and capacitor like this. Okay. Now we need to take one switching device. Right here, IRF 740 field effect transistor. Okay. Now you can see that we have our field effect transistor in the main window. Now you can connect the upper terminal of the FET to the capacitor and lower one to the diode. But first we will take one diode. So right here 4001, and we will get our diode. Right click on it, rotate clockwise. Okay, now attach the other end of the FET with that of the diode and connect it with the capacitor. Okay, now also take one more capacitor, again the generic one capacitor, the generic non-polar one, and place here. Also right rotate clockwise. Drag it somewhat on the right side. Now we need to take one inductor. So we will select air filled inductor like it and like this. Okay, and also like this. Double click on it, change them to 3900 microfarads. Okay, these capacitors actually act as the filters. Double click on it and also right here is 3900 microfarad and press OK. Also select the inductor value as 350 microhenry. 350 microhenry, or you can select it to like 320 or 330 microhenry. It's enough for us. Connect this 330 microhenry with that of the diode. Also take 1K resistor as a load. 1K as a load. Right click on it and rotate clockwise. like this and this. Then in order to see the voltage, we need one DC voltmeter like this. Okay, also the last thing, or second last thing, is our ground page like it. Now we will drive this transistor, that is the FET transistor. On its gate signal, we need to give one pulse signal, and like this, and we go and okay, now double click on our signal. We will 16 volt or 15 volt enough for us, and here duty cycle must be 16, and here we will apply at least 18 kilohertz as a switching frequency. Now we will run it, and we can see that we have converted our 12 volt 24 volt DC supply to 12 volt DC supply. So it is a very simple buck converter. You can use it for the conversion of 24 volt to 12 volt. The link for this circuit is given in the description. So thanks for watching this video tutorial.